What's up everybody, welcome back to my kitchen where safety is number one priority, and today we're going to put to the test 5 more kitchen gadgets. Let's see what I got this time. For the first gadget I got here a very strange knife. Right here it explains it. Whenever you hold it like that, your wrist I guess hurts somehow or something like that, and this is the proper way. Who knows, let's try it out. We'll start with the celery and let's try to chop it. Wow, this is actually pretty awesome. And it's super sharp. That's pretty cool. Different view over here. One of them. And I can cut it as well. I don't have to chop it. But wow, this is actually very nice. I like it. I like to stack up the celery together, that way I can chop them. Skinny. Oh. I'll tell you what guys, I can go way faster with this knife than with this knife. This is kind of cool. Let's try this again. I would say this is actually pretty comfortable. Not very consistent, obviously, if I go too fast, but if I go slow, it's pretty awesome. What do you guys think? This is the weirdest kitchen knife I ever seen. Easy to put everything to the side too. Okay, let's chop up this cucumber. Wow, chopping it very skinny. This one I'm talking about, I have put to the test non-stick knife. This one really horribly sticks together. As you can see, I'm really slow at it. Probably best to put the finger in like that as a guide. And you know what, this is pretty comfortable. I like it. Except it keeps sticking to the knife. This is pretty comfortable. And the pieces isn't bad at all. I'm chopping them so good. This is so cool. I bet once I practice I could be really fast. I thought it's not gonna be comfortable at all. But as you can see, it's pretty comfortable and I'm chopping it pretty good too. I cannot complain. Next I got here Nita's knife set, so it can fit pretty much any drawer. Check this out. But also you don't have to put it in drawer. Right here you can pull this up somehow, or this up, and boom, set your knife up like that. Or if you wanna lay it, you can lay it. Okay, let's unbox it real quick. So in case you want your knife to be standing up, wow, it holds in there. Super nice. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and 4. I know if standing it up like that is kinda comfortable, but super unique for sure. You need a knife, let's say this one. It is kinda hard to get a knife out whenever it's standing up like that. Again, if I try to take the smallest knife, it's almost impossible. You have to take one of them out before you can take out the smallest knife. But if you need the bigger knives, still you have to take one at a time to take out the knife. But yeah, how unique is that? It's such a skinny knife. Kinda fun to use because it's so small and unique. But it's pretty cool because the cucumbers won't stick if you're going to chop up the cucumbers. Compared to this one, cucumber stuck to it so bad. Let's demonstrate. I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about. You see, you can cut the cucumber as thick as you want. And I'll tell you what guys, this is regular grip, is pretty nice. I have no problem with that. But this grip is definitely really fun to use, almost more comfortable. But the knife, You see, each cucumber is stuck to it, and multiple of them, and now I'm cutting into them, so I have constantly moving them away, and it's really annoying. But it's almost easier to cut the thinner pieces with that knife. But this knife, check this out. You have to aim a little bit more, but none of the cucumbers will stick to you. Oh, maybe one. And then you can stick it into any drawer, and look at that. It still fits. So thin, I can even put on top of stuff. Pretty awesome. For the next gadget, I got here watermelon cutter set. Let's see how it works. Ooh, pretty cool. Check this out. So many thumbnails I can do today. So this is pretty awesome watermelon meal cutter I have put to the test. This is a different one I have put to the test before as well. And the coolest part is this is the biggest watermelon knife I probably going to have. The one that I already have, a little bit more ridiculous, actually the same size, but kind of like this one a bit more because it doesn't look like a watermelon. But yeah, very similar. Just wanted to put it to the test. As I said, is it still the same good quality? Let's find out. Okay, got a watermelon, gonna cut it in half. It's nice to have a big knife, watermelon knife, because it'll go all the way through. Kind of a green watermelon, but you know, it's not the season yet. And what I'll do is cut right here. Next. Smells so good though. And then the fun part. This is the best ever. Check this out. All we have to do, 1 or 2 centimeter. We'll do 2 centimeter and go all the way through. Then dump it out. Maybe we can do 2 centimeter. 2 centimeter, way more fun. Dump it out. And that way you can have perfect watermelon cubes. Check this out, so much fun. You can go to side. Let's see how deep can I go. Pretty awesome. Wow, look at that. Just can keep going, chop and chop all the way down. No big deal. Beautiful. And we will chop all the way through. I love this gadget so much. As you can see, it works so well and chop through watermelon so easily. And then you have watermelon cubes. Obviously don't put it on table, but as you can see, it works. And also you got one of this that's pretty cool. You just chop through like this and all the way down like that, and then you can actually grab it and pull it out. How cool is that? And one more time, you can even cube it too. That's actually pretty cool gadget. You cut all the way down actually, and then go all the way down too, like that. That's probably a better way to do it. It's pretty cool gadget, but I think the other one is so much better. Cubing it, but I guess this one is more like slicing it, if you like slices like that. They also can cube, but the other one is better for the cubes. And one more right here. Oops, can I get it? Let's see. Maybe not so much. There you go, I got it. Tiny little bitty one. Boom. First one could have done a little bit better job, but now you have slices without the core. Pretty awesome. For the next gadget, I got here oven rack protector. Let's put it on, heat it up, and see if it's going to be burning me or not. Kinda concerning a little bit because save up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. What happens if it gets warmer in there? Will it melt? But anyways, I'm gonna try to heat it up to 400 degrees and we'll see if it's going to be hot or not. pretty easy to put it on. As you can see, it just slides in, and it's mostly on a handle right here. Pretty good. Okay, let's heat it up. Okay, while that heating it up, I got here wine thermometer. There you go. So I have chilled off 1 bottle of wine, and whoa, this is a snap. And there's very simple instructions. Okay, this was in the freezer for as long as I have been filming the video. Snap it. Let's see the temperature. Oh wow, look at that. It's changing really rapidly. 72, 70. That's quite amazing. So heat activated. Let's keep going. 62, and guess what? This disappearing somehow. This is just magic. How amazing is that? So it looks like it's still going. What a cool gadget. Okay, looks like it's 54.50. Stuck pretty good now. You know what? Let me get my laser thermometer and we'll check if it actually works or not. With the laser thermometer right here, I cannot believe how accurate that is. So you want to look at the last number, I guess. Wow. Okay, now we're gonna take it off and snap it. We can put it away anywhere and snap it onto the warm bottle. See what happens. Is it going backwards? Yep. And it goes backward pretty quickly. Look at that. That is so awesome. I thought it would be working a lot slower than that. That's just like magic, how it just disappear. It's only heats up and cools off at the perfect temperature. It's only show up the numbers at perfect temperature. That's what I meant to say. And looks like you wanna tell which is the right number by looking over here. I think it will slowly climb up because that band need to cool off slowly or warm up. Take it away and spin it, put it in a bar. Beautiful. Okay, it's preheated at 400. Okay, didn't melt or anything just yet. Ooh, ow. So I don't know what they're talking about. What they're protecting. I thought it was a heat protector, but this thing is too hot. It says prevents nasty wrist and arm burns, made from flexible heat resistant silicone. You know what, it's touchable, it doesn't burn my hands, but it's still super hot. Actually not that hot, only 85 degrees, to where it's kinda not comfortable but not going to burn it. So, passed, pretty cool. Ouch, ow. But yeah, at least not as hot as the metal. Without that thing, it would be 360 degrees you'd be touching it. That would burn. Well guys, that's pretty much it. Let me know in comments below which gadget was your favorite. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.